What's your guys' take on being in a relationship and having other gender friends?
There's nothing wrong with having male friends.
What is your top reason for breaking up and how do you do it?
It's not a game, firstly. Some days where you want to
Just run away
rip your hair out and end things as they are
and then start a new relationship.
with good memories to look back at.
Any Indian family. And if it isn't like crazy, then what's the fun?
You don't know teenagers? Not yet. Let's fix that. Welcome to the secret life of teenagers.
There are some days where you want to
Just run away.
rip your hair out and
I miss my mom in college. I miss my dad. I miss my dadi, nani. Yeah, you miss the madness, but that's any Indian family. And if it isn't like crazy, then what's the fun?
miss the chaos of everyone being at home. There's
Always
there's seven
jhagda
different
happening.
conversations happening. There's
No one is listening to anybody.
there's food, there's fights, there's nobody's
Someone is
listening.
running behind another person with a jhadu.
Who's
6
running
a.m. vacuum cleaner chal raha hai room ke bahar.
The one thing I miss is the question, what do you want to eat?
Yeah,
Bus.
no one's asking.
Yeah.
And what time are you coming back home?
What's your guys'
So did
take
mine.
on being in a relationship and having other gender?
Yeah, that's very important actually to ask.
I think if you have personal boundaries, there's nothing
Then
wrong with having male
Then I should
friends.
never have a girlfriend because with my female friends, I'm troubling them all the time.
That troubling is different.
Boundaries.
Yeah.
Like you need to check in with your partner what they're comfortable with it, with
Yeah.
what you're comfortable
What
with
you
them
do,
doing.
I don't think your partner would be uncomfortable
Yeah,
with
because I
that.
treat them like the children.
Like sisters.
There anyway need to be boundaries even in friendship.
Yeah.
That's very important.
I don't know. Do we have boundaries? What?
That's another
Do
thing.
we have boundaries as boys? No.
Zero boundaries.
I don't have
We have
boundaries.
zero boundaries.
I do have boundaries with all my friends. It's very healthy.
Boys, we don't have any boundaries. Like with each other.
Right.
Like,
That's
yeah.
different, but when you're in a relationship and
100%.
Yeah.
You have to. I think it's a conversation to have with your partner before.
Exactly.
And then when.
Where to draw the line?
But tell us about your breakups.
what is
how
your
do you
top
view a
reason
breakup?
for breaking up and how do you do it?
It's not a game, firstly. Like, you guys are really making it sound like a game. It's not a
You
game.
just go tell the person, I'm sorry, I can't do this.
No, I mean, there's a lot of reasons you break up with someone. Lack of trust, there's differences in personality, there's people change. I mean, you go to different parts of the world, you become different people, you drift apart naturally. I mean, it's very common to drift away from people, and it's very common, and the mature thing to do is not let the other person have false expectations and just live. Why are you laughing?
I agree with him.
And it's the mature thing to do.
And it's always important to end the,
The mature thing
relationship
to
before
do,
starting a
the
new one.
mature thing to do is to tell the person that, listen, I don't think you and I are compatible anymore. I think we should end things as they are
And then start a new relationship.
with good memories to look back at.
뭐